In this video, we're going to look at ideal formatting of ICRW reports so that you can easily play with them in Excel. So I'll run this top report as an example. So this is a great report. It's our aging by our project, starting with the no project bills, and a little further down we have the projects. But if I go to put it in Excel, choose formatted in Excel, the report isn't so easy to play with. It merges cells together to make these mega cells, just how the report looks, which is nice aesthetically, but if I go to filter it, it doesn't really work. So instead of having all the rows for that project, for example, we just have the one row where that value actually appears. Luckily, this is pretty easy to fix. So if I go back to my ICRW menu and click Edit on that same report, then over on the right-hand side on this magnifying glass, I'll click on that. And then there's this duplicate values option here where I can choose to repeat in each row. Now, instead of the same value just once, we have it repeated for each row, which will be perfect for Excel filtering. From here, I can remove the title too, so that the data is just at the top of the sheet. And then when I go ahead and save and run the report again, I'll scroll to the bottom one more time to export to Excel. And here you can see the data each has its own row. So now if I were to filter, I get all the data returned for whatever project I choose, or vendor, or whatever you want to filter on.